So here we have the Pitaya STEMlab 12510 starter kit. So this is one of a very useful piece of hardware. It says replaces many lab instruments. Yeah. So let's start unboxing it. So yes. First of all, we have a different type of electrical plugs here. So this one would be used in Australia. This one for its use in Asia and Europe. Then this one for its use in probably in US, Canada and Mexico. And lastly, yeah, this one is for the US. And then we have the Pitaya STEMlab 12510 board itself. So let's see what all this board has. So in terms of connectivity, we have a Ethernet port here. For connecting it, you have the MAC address of the Ethernet port stuck on it. So this would be used to connect to the Pitaya using Ethernet. And then we have a USB port. This would be used for connecting the USB dongle into it for wireless connections. Then we have an SD card, micro SD card slot, in which we will have to burn the Pitaya's image and then insert it. Then we have the micro USB port for power. We have two headers here. So this header, yeah, this header is being used for the logic analyzer Pitaya. And then for the oscilloscope and the function generators, we have these four SMA connectors. So these two are for the oscilloscope. As you can see, it's written in1 and in2. And these two are for the function generator. As you can see, it's written out1 and out2. Then we have the Xilinx Zinc all programmable SoC lying under this heat sink. Then we would have the ADC and DACs also, probably some memory chips lying in here. Then we have a jumper to switch from USB and battery. Yeah, that's an optional connection to power it up using a battery, lithium ion battery probably. Then we have a few more jumpers to switch the oscilloscope from high voltage to low voltage. The high voltage is for more than 1 volt, like up to 20 volts it can sense. Then for low voltage below 1 volt. Then under this we have the Pitaya logo and the naming. Then we have an oscillator here. So yeah, this is the Pitaya board. Let's see what else we have inside this box. We have an Ethernet cable itself for the connectivity. So it's good that they have included it within the box. Then we have the power adapter, 5 volt 2 ampere power adapter. So let's see. So we have the 5 volt 2 amps power adapter here. Yeah, I think we can see. Yes, it's 5 volt 2 amps 10 watts power adapter. So I think we can put this yeah, that's all. You can attach it here very easily. Snaps off. Then lastly, we have two more things. One is the micro SD card, which is also included within the kit, the Pitaya STEMlab 12510 starter kit. 16 GB memory card for burning the Pitaya's image and then inserting it here in the Pitaya board. And then we have the sticker for MAC addresses of the Ethernet, which is already stuck here. So for safety purposes, if at all you are using a case, then probably you can stick it on the case. Yeah, so this is what we have included in the box. So apart from this, to use this Pitaya, probably you need some connectors such as these SMA to BNC connectors, and then some these which you have. So you can buy these from the Pitaya website itself. So we have some SMA to BNC connectors. You can just put it here and then you can just screw it up. So this converts the SMA to BNC, and then you can use some probes for the oscilloscope purposes. So you have the BNC connector here, so you can directly, that's it, it's plugged up. You have the red Pitaya symbol on the oscilloscope probe also. Yeah, it can measure up to 100 megahertz. So yes, this is the probe here. You have the switching between 1x and 10x, and then you have the regular probe and a crocodile clip here. Yeah, so this is it for this video.